In this video, we will demonstrate how to install and configure your Toshiba Dynadock U3.0 and download the latest drivers, along with some helpful troubleshooting tips. After unboxing the Dynadock, connect the AC adapter to the DC in jack on the back of the Dynadock. The power light on the front of the Dynadock will glow blue when power is applied. Next, connect the Dynadock to a computer that has internet connectivity by connecting the square end of the provided USB cable to the Dynadock and the other end to an available USB port on your computer. It's preferable to connect the Dynadock to a USB 3.0 port on the computer for maximum performance, but you can connect it to any available USB 2.0 port. Note that when the Dynadock is connected to the computer by USB connection, you'll still need to provide power to the computer, either by internal battery or AC adapter connected to the computer. The Dynadock will not power the computer through the USB port. After connecting the Dynadock, your computer should automatically download the latest device drivers for your Dynadock. After the drivers have finished installing, go to the DisplayLink website at www.displaylink.com/support/downloads and install the latest DisplayLink software release for your Dynadock. If you're having issues with loading drivers or getting the DisplayLink Manager application to load, visit support.toshiba.com/Dynadock and select the Dynadock FAQ page for additional help. Finally, to ensure the driver and software updates have been applied properly, you'll need to restart your computer. After your computer has finished restarting, let's connect an external monitor to your Dynadock. Connecting and configuring external displays to your Dynadock is easy. Simply plug these devices into the Dynadock through the HDMI or DVI port. Note that there is an included DVI to VGA adapter with your Dynadock, and there are many third-party options for DVI to HDMI adapters. The first time you connect an external display to your Dynadock, you may see a Dynadock configuration window appear on your computer. The screen may also be blank while the configuration is taking place. After the initial configuration has completed, the Windows Screen Resolution utility will open. If the Screen Resolution utility has not opened, or you are manually reconfiguring your external displays, you can select the Dynadock U3.0 icon from the System tray in Windows and select Video Setup. Here you can configure video settings like monitor position and screen resolution of each of the available display monitors. When you're finished configuring your displays, select Apply and then OK. It's as simple as that. However, note that in the event of an update or connection to a different USB port, you may have to reconfigure the display settings if the Dynadock is disconnected and then reconnected to the computer. For this reason, you might want to use the same USB port each time you use your Dynadock. Next, connecting other USB devices works just as easy as if you were connecting them directly to your computer. The LED on the front of the Dynadock will glow green when both the Dynadock is connected to the computer and another USB device is connected to the Dynadock. However, be aware that if you have an external storage device connected to your Dynadock, you must adhere to the same precautions you would if those devices were connected to your computer directly, such as going to the System tray notification in Windows and selecting the icon to safely remove hardware and eject media. This is important to ensure that data is not lost on connected external storage drives. Connecting external audio devices has the additional capability of providing 5.1 surround sound output. To configure audio settings, select the Dynadock U3.0 icon from the System tray in Windows and select Audio Setup. With all your devices connected to your Dynadock, disconnecting a Dynadock from the computer is as simple as unplugging the USB cable from the computer. This concludes this video on how to install your Toshiba Dynadock U3.0, configure it, and download the latest drivers. For more information, visit support.toshiba.com.